Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Canva. This video is going to show us how to create a profile pic for our social media posts. Specifically, we'll look at customizing design sizes, adding and editing elements from Canva, and then finally, saving our file as a PNG so that we can have a transparent background. Let's take a look. As I hop into Canva, I'll be able to create a custom size by clicking on the top purple button, and I could go through and find something that might be the size that I'm looking for any number of design types. The one that I'm going to alert you to is the logo, which is 500 by 500. It's a perfect square, giving it a perfect insert for any of the different Twitter, Instagram posts, for your Google Classroom, for your Schoology profile pics, and so forth. So you can click this, or I could have gone to Customize Design, where I might have been able to select 500 by 500. With that, I will click Create New Design. And now I have this square. I'm just going to call this Profile Pic. And what I like to do is to start off with giving it some color in the background. So I'll choose this blue for now. And I also like trying to find something that might be related to my schoolwork. So I can click on this globe as a social studies teacher. And by using the grab tool, I can center it both vertically. This is top to bottom. You can see that there's a line going across the middle of this graphic. And then I could also center it from left to right. So as I move the globe from left to right, we'll see the crosshairs pop up, allowing me to see exactly where this item is going to be placed. I can then add some text. And playing enough in Canva, you can get a sense of the different font styles and graphics and such that are located in here. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and put my name, and I will change the graphic just a little bit so we can see some pop, maybe the size. And now I'm going to add in some more text for my course name, and we will call this Social Studies. And I'll just center that. So for the quick purposes of creating something that has a little bit more emphasis for my class, I could do something as simple as this. There's three things here: my name, an element, and then the title of the course. And all I did was change the background of the design itself. Now, I could maybe make this a little bit more fun, and maybe I didn't want the entire globe stand. So let me select that item, and you'll see now, and this is what makes Canva so incredible, is that I have all the different colors of that item located here on the palette. So I'm going to change that globe stand to everything like the background color. So now I have something that's just a little bit, more what I would want. And if this is the design I wanted, what's great with this is I could just go ahead and download that as a file. And to do that, I would click the share button and I would download it. So that's your basic item. I've got a PNG here, and if I click the transparent background, you'll see that I could use that in a slightly different manner. So I will save this for now, and then I'll show you a second type that might be a little bit more fun for some other areas that you are working on. So I'm going to get rid of this globe, and I'm going to try a different one. Let me type in globe again. And I'll use this one now, just to give you a little bit of difference in how I might make something a little more unique. So now I have this, I'm going to actually trade this out, make it a little bit bigger. And by just clicking and adjusting, I could make my file look exactly the way I want. So if this is indeed what I want, I'm going to change this to a white background. And when I choose this now, I'm going to download. So I'm just going to change this to profile pic number 2. I'm going to share this. And this time I am going to click the transparent background. And what this will do is it will remove all that white space. And it will just be the globe with the text on top. So let's give it a try. I'll download this file. First one I have is with the globe stand, and now I've got one without. So for example, I'm going to click over to a Google slide presentation, for example. I will tap on insert image and I will upload from my computer. And here's profile pic number 2. I can't tell yet because it has this white space in the pop-up menu, but as I add it here, now I've got a really nice looking image without all that extra white space behind. So Canva can be used for a lot of things, including making profile pics. I hope you found this video helpful.